4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located miles southeast of Thomasville, or 2 miles west of Randleman, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Randleman around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Climax, Jamestown, Trinity, Forest Oaks, and Pleasant Garden. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Davidson, North Carolina.
Davidson.